It is time to create with Quimby. This morning we have a project for you DIYers. So instead of walking the plank this holiday season, why not use those planks as some decor?
Okay, I love this. These cute little decorative wooden Christmas trees. They could be the savior of your home decor. Joining us live to walk us through how you can make them. It's easier than you think. DIY expert Shannon Quimby. Good morning.
Good morning, and also it's another project that will not put you in holiday debt.
Exactly.
Nice. There you go.
We're
finding an efficient way to spend on Christmas. Yes.
You got some wood planks, you got some decorations. I love it. So talk us through this.
Exactly. So the first thing you want to do is this is actually leftover fencing that I had from a project. So a lot of people do have leftover wood because I'm all about reusing what you have.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is just a 1x4, and you can make these at any length that you like. I like them at 2 feet, so this is 24 inches long.
Okay.
So you can use a hand saw, chop saw. You can go to my old favorite down at MOK at Parr Lumber, and they can cut it for you. Okay. Sand the edges because that gets a little rough, and then wipe off the excess dust. Okay. Easy peasy. Yeah. You know what's also great about this project?
What?
Is that you will not go $900 in debt. It will just cost pennies. It's also a really good gift that you can give hosts. So if they're not wine drinkers or something that is fun and different, you can bring this to the party when you're all done.
I love that idea.
So great. you just take a stain. This is a nice espresso stain that I'm using. If you want to save your manicure, you'd use gloves.
Okay.
I'm actually okay. And you just stain all sides of the board, okay? So the front, the back, the sides, and so forth until it's all covered.
Gotcha.
Okay. And then you wipe off the excess after about 15 minutes, and you let it dry.
I like that color. Yeah.
Isn't that pretty? I know. Nice espresso. So then you get it like this. Now, before you get started on painting, you might want to practice a few times. So because it's going to end up like these right here. And so I literally just take a Sharpie and a piece of paper, and I practice drawing different types of Christmas tree shapes.
Oh, nice.
Very good. Okay. Yeah, get your designs ready before you're doing it in paint.
That's so true. Yeah. The fun thing also about this is if you mess up painting, it's okay. You could just get a wet cloth before it dries and just wipe it off.
Okay.
Okay. So you're just going to get this little acrylics. Instead of $900, it's only 99 cents. And get a watercolor. I'm just doing standard white. And I'm going to I think I'll do this one in the middle right here.
Okay. So
you begin with just going straight down the middle. Now, once again, you guys, ultimately the best gifts are handmade. That's, when we were saying modern, right? Modern and so forth.
I agree with that. And then you can make them look exactly the way you want them to look.
Right, and they're original, and they come from your heart, right? It shows that you've taken the time instead of, running out at the last minute and buying something for somebody. But anyway, to me, that's the best thing to do. Plus, this is a really good idea if you want to do, instead of cookie parties, you can do DIY parties.
Oh, that's a fun idea. Yeah. If anyone's like, I'm not a baker,
right.
You still got a fun thing to do together.
Oh, neither do I. I have no idea how, I like buy it in the tub. I buy the cookie dough in the tub, and there you go.
Well, so, I'll show up with cookies if you want to DIY for me, because your stuff always looks so great.
Perfect. There you go. So this is just really easy, and you're just going down the tree like this. So simple, like that. Okay. There's no, the DIY police are not going to show up. They're not going to give you a ticket if you're doing it wrong. Okay? All of that. So whoopsie, I'm going to set these boards down so they don't fall down. So this one's dry, all said and done. Then if you have some leftover rope, you can even do fabric from a pair of jeans. You can cut up a pair of jeans. Just whatever fabric. You can do twine. I usually like to cut about a foot long of rope. And then I've already started this one side on the board. And you just basically take a upholstery tack or a thumbtack or even a small nail, and you're going to tap one side of the rope into the board about from the side,
Okay.
and then flip it, and then you flip it over to the other side, and you do the same thing.
Same
It's
thing.
Nice.
I was waiting to see how you were going to attach
I
this
was
to the
curious
wall,
as
but
well.
this is
I was curious as well.
power tool free project. I see no
Yes.
drills, I see no saws, sandpaper, paint, and a hammer.
Well, and all these projects, Shannon, that you always do, they're typically always pretty affordable, but this one seems like even maybe the cheapest one, you know, in a great way
And
to
it
be able to
looks
do.
so
It's very
cute.
easy to gather these supplies at cost.
I love it.
Yeah, and not even at cost. A lot of this is lying around the house.
True,
You know,
true.
or in the garage or in the backyard. Like we all have some type of rope or board or
Yeah.
paint left over. You can use what you have,
Mm-hmm.
create it with heart, give it for the holidays.
I love
It's
it.
the best.
Such a good idea. Shannon, thank you so much. And Shannon's going to be giving these away, the ones that she's made. She's teamed up with Parr Lumber. So go follow Parr Lumber on social media. We've got the info on our website, KOIN.com. Check it out if you want one of these cute Christmas trees.
Very cool.
Shannon, thanks so much. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays, you too.
Thank you. You too.
Okay, and we're going to have the directions, the materials, all of Shannon's tips and tricks if you want to do that yourself on the AM Extra section of KOIN.com.